The Watchmaker was quite a journey. So although it was challenging at times, but at the same time, that challenge becomes quite rewarding.
The inspiration for this play, similar to the background, is about the dream gap, where girls at one age begin to determine their dreams based on the toys they receive.
Hi, I'm Uthit and I'm the director of the show. We started off about 6 to 8 months ago, and we had a 3-month rehearsal process where we casted the show. We had rehearsals every day after school for an hour, and then we came to the last week, and in that last weekend, unfortunately, me and teacher Manji, we were in a car accident, and we unfortunately had to postpone the show. And luckily everybody involved in the SISB community stood up and came together and decided to just to not cancel the show, but to postpone it and not to put all the hard work that was put into the show to waste, but to give it another chance. And then 3 months later, when we were able to come back to school, we started rehearsing again. We had another 3-month rehearsal process and working every day after school. And in the past 2 weeks, we have been rehearsing every day. We started off 3 hours a day last week. This week it's been full day rehearsals, and it's been quite a journey. But everybody's been working really, really hard and doing their best to put on a good show.
The bigger challenges for this play, for me, has been to get all the parts together, to get all the components to join and to create it, because there's so many little parts and so many little departments and so many people in charge of different things that getting it all together is very hard and it's very time consuming.
Chloe from P6 Joy, and I play Emma. So she's very stubborn and she doesn't follow the rules very much, but she always tries to do the right thing.
My name is I'm from P6 Grace, and my role is the boss. So my role is the boss, and I'm trying to stop Emma from getting into Chrono Quest.
My favorite scene is scene 19 because it's the scene where everyone's very happy and where everyone finally agrees on one.
I was never allowed to play with Watchmaker's toolkits growing up like Bobby and Mark, so I don't know how to solve this with you. Come on here for some best and test my strength!
Today, feeling very great, about this watchmaking drama production from our primary section. It's so delighted to see this happening. I mean, I have to thank you to all the teachers, all the parents for the support, especially not to forget all our students have been performing this watchmaking drama. I think it's really wonderful, and this can be not only just a drama production. I think the kids, the students here have learned a lot from this experience. Thank you.
Yeah, the kids that show very well because they made me very proud of them, because everyone that they do well, perform well, and play like a natural one. They are so happy to show us, and we are so happy to watching them too. Thank you so much.